Well, this weekend marked another first. Great America's water park reopened for the first time in 2 years. The pandemic not putting a damper on the fun there anymore. KRON 4's Teresa Stasio tells us what's in store for those who are heading back for some fun in the sun in the South Bay.
You could catch the squeals everywhere. Guests soaking up the fun at Great America's South Bay Shores Water Park. Open once again following a 2-year absence due to the pandemic.
We are having the best day ever.
VP and General Manager Barb Granter says although open, the park still must follow state guidelines with fewer crowds and reservations required.
The first thing I always say is check the website. Go online, check the website, use your mobile app if you want to, and get the information about what to expect when you come so you're not surprised. Reservations are needed to come to California's Great America. Reservations are needed for South Bay Shores. So check that out. Remember to bring your mask. And if everyone could try and social distance throughout the day, it's a wonderful, healthy outdoor environment, and we're looking forward to seeing everyone.
And with all that said, now to the fun part. There is a lot to see at the water park. New rides, including this doozy called the Reef Plunge, where 4 6-story tall body slides can drop riders down windy tubes of delight.
You can slide down into a big whirlpool tube, the blue and white structure, or you can finish off with a big drop on the orange and white and green structure.
The tide pool of Family Lagoon awaits, grassy gardens and Feeding Frenzy ride, all new attractions. The Breakers Bay Wave Pool still here and still making lots of smiles. The water slide area now 50% bigger. Besides welcoming guests back, General Manager Granter says it feels good to bring back staff since the shutdown in 2019. And they are looking to hire more.
It was wonderful to be able to invite people back to work. There has been a lag in the hiring process because of COVID and people starting up again. So there are jobs available. Please go online. And we're still looking for positions, but very excited that that is getting better and better with every day.
In the South Bay, Teresa Stasio, KRON 4 News.